Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Look y'all, today I have a really nice pre-loved bag that I got off of the Japanese eBay. I'm really excited to share it with y'all. It's going to be the Louis Vuitton Reporter PM. I got it for less than nothing, and I'll tell you the details in a little bit. Before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, please consider subscribing today. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. For everything else, Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's going to be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there as well. Y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all this little bag, and I recently just stumbled across Japanese eBay. Now, Japanese eBay has a lot of bags on it, and apparently carrying a Louis Vuitton in Japan is kind of like carrying a Coach here. You're going to see it a little bit more regularly over there. So there's tons and tons of Louis Vuitton bags from the past that are available on Japanese eBay. So definitely check them out. I got this bag for about $250, and it wound up costing about $295 with tax and shipping. I also have a Speedy 30 that's coming. I'm going to do a separate video on, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to show you this bag before I do all of the cleanup. I'm going to show you how it comes and unboxing of it. Then I'm going to come back in another video after I get everything cleaned up, and I'm going to show you some of the cleanup process, and I'll show you some of the steps and products that I use to clean up this Louis Vuitton bag, and I'll show you the before now, and you can see the after when you come back for the other video. So this is the bag here, and of course I will show you a little unboxing of the bag, but this was it. And like I said, this is the Reporter PM from Louis Vuitton in the monogram print. This is a 2001 bag, and it was made in France, but it's really, really nice. And actually I was really shocked when I got it. They really packaged it nice. The shipping came well. Now the Speedy that I got came very fast too. These actually came on the same day, and I actually won this one on a bid first, like I said, for $250. And then the Speedy I got for even cheaper, and it's even nicer, y'all. So y'all definitely check out the Japanese eBay. Let me go over and I'll show you just a 360 of this bag, and I'll also put some photos of this bag up close so that you can see the damage on it, the wear on it, and then when I get it clean and you see it on the next video, you'll be able to see the differences after it's cleaned and really nicely reconditioned. So let me go and I'll do a 360 of it. So this is the front of it, and this bag is a little bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but I'm really happy with it. I really thought I was going to want the GM, but yeah, this one's big enough for me. All right, so that's the front side of it. You have this pocket in the front here, and it's got that vachetta leather on the front. Very nice. Let me show you just the interior of this pocket. Now I had to stuff it for a while because it was kind of squished down. There's the interior on this bag, and it's really not that bad. The inside of the main compartments does have a little bit of wear. There is the vachetta, and you can see it has some wear on it a little bit, but really nice, no cracking or anything like that, so it's still in pretty good shape. This is the side of it here. You have two zipper pulls on it there, very nice. And you might be able to see a little bit of wear and tear, but there's not really any corner wear or anything on the edges. The zippers look good. The leather piece here, everything looks pretty good on it. Now this wears out here on these bags in the corners. Eventually they have to be replaced, but this one is still in pretty good shape. So I was really happy with it. You just have to really check out the details on these bags if you get on the Japanese eBay and see them really closely and really zoom in and look at them. Here is the back side of it. It's in really good shape too. And then here's the other side with the strap on it. The strap's in really good shape too, y'all. I was really, really happy with it, and it actually fits me pretty good. So there is the other vachetta piece there. They have a little tag on it from where the store that I bought it from. Spin it around there. So that's where I got it from there. And that came on the bag. Let me show you up close. So there is the strap on that side up close. You can see that leather there. Still in pretty good shape. There's the back side of it. So I'm going to get this bag all nice and cleaned up. There's the corners of it, and we'll see what it looks like. Let me show you the top. All right, here's the top of the bag. It's got that double zipper on it. So it's still really nice, and I'm really, really happy with this one, but it's going to look even nicer once I get it cleaned up. All right, let me unzip it, and I'm going to show you the interior of this bag. Like I said, it's got some damage on it. There's some pin markings and things like that, but the front pocket is not that bad. This is the front interior. so you don't really see a whole lot of anything down in there. It does have a vachetta leather lined pocket here, and everything looks pretty good down inside the pocket. So the front interior pouch is really okay, so I won't be doing a whole lot of scrubbing on that, but let me show you the inside of this main pocket here. This is the bigger side of the bag, and there we go. You can just see down in the bottom, there's a lot of pin marks and stuff down in there, so definitely have to work on that. All right, y'all, and there, coming down the strap, on this piece here, you've got your Louis Vuitton there. As you can see, it's kind of wore a little bit, but the strap on it is still in pretty good shape, as you can see. It has a little plastic adjuster there. That's plastic. But the rest of the strap is still in pretty good shape. I don't see any like major stains or anything like that on it. So I'm really, really happy with it. Okay, there's the other piece there. All right, y'all, and I'll share some pictures here with y'all of the bag a little closer so you can see the details of the little pin marks and some of the damage and wear and tear on this bag. All right, y'all, so this is the Japanese eBay Reporter PM from Louis Vuitton I got for $250. And y'all, I can't wait to come back and show you the results after I clean it up and get it reconditioned on my follow-up video, so y'all stay tuned for that. So y'all make sure to click that subscribe button before you leave so that you can come back and watch the follow-up video on this bag after it's all cleaned up. I'm really happy with it so far, but it's gonna look even better after I get it reconditioned and cleaned up. So that's my review for today on this Louis Vuitton Reporter PM. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and don't forget to come back to see the results. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media as well. And if everybody could take a moment to give this video a like, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. I'll see everybody on my next one. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.